After internal dissent in the Congress, now Ally has distanced itself from the vote chori controversy. This is the NCP Sharad Pawar faction. MP Supriya Sule, while speaking in Parliament, backed the election process, expressed confidence in EVMs. MP said the same EVMs that elected her as an MP 4 times and their allegations should not be made without proof. The BJP has also shared the video of Sule and taunted Rahul Gandhi and the Congress. The Saffron Party called it an embarrassment for the Grand Old Party and said India bloc allies are not united on this issue. This comes a day after former Congress MLA from Odisha, Mohammad Mokim, has questioned his own party over vote chori saga, leaving the party red-faced. His statement led to his sacking from the Congress over so-called anti-party activities.
पहले पंचायत में इतनी बड़ी सरकार आई, मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ, इनका कहना है कि मैं भी उसी मशीन पे चुन के आई हूँ, तो मैं वीवीपैट ईसीएम किसी पे नहीं बोलूंगी, क्योंकि मेरा कहना है अगर वो मशीन में गलती है तो मेरे से शुरू करिए, क्योंकि मैं 4 बार चुन के उसी मशीन के कारण आई हूँ. सो आई एम नॉट स्पीकिंग अगेंस्ट द मशीन.
हम एक लेटर के माध्यम से सोनिया जी के पास लिखे थे, जो सच है पार्टी के डिवागल के लिए जो हो रहा है और पार्टी को रिफॉर्म करने के लिए जो चाहिए, हमने एक छोटा सा सलाह उनको लिखा हुआ था और कॉपी टू ऑल CWC मेंबर दिए हुए थे. बाद में चल के हमें ये मीडिया में ये आ गया और मीडिया जब हमें पूछा, हम जो सच था वो बताए थे. जो सच है हम सच के खिलाफ लड़ेंगे, सत्य ही हमारा, और जो सत्य था हम उसे कांग्रेस का हाईकमांड को बताए और हमें पार्टी से एक्सपेल होना पड़ा.
Now on Sunday, Congress held a massive rally in Delhi over vote chori, where Rahul and Priyanka came down heavily on the BJP, leveling these charges once again.
ज्ञानेश कुमार, सुखबीर सिंह सांधू, विवेक जोशी, इलेक्शन कमीशन बीजेपी के सरकार के साथ मिलकर काम कर रहा है. नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने इलेक्शन कमिश्नर के लिए कानून बदला, नया कानून लाए, कहा कि इलेक्शन कमिश्नर कुछ भी करे उन पर एक्शन नहीं लिया जा सकता है, उन पर कार्रवाई नहीं ली जा सकती है. आप मत भूलिए, आप हिंदुस्तान के इलेक्शन कमिश्नर हो, आप नरेंद्र मोदी के इलेक्शन कमिश्नर नहीं हो. हमने एलिगेशन किया, हमने उनसे सवाल पूछा, आप हमें समझाइए ब्राजील की महिला कैसे वोटर लिस्ट पे, एक महिला 200 बार क्यों आती है, एक घर में 500, 600, 700 वोटर क्यों मिलते हैं, उत्तर प्रदेश से बीजेपी के नेता हरियाणा में वोट क्यों डालते हैं, कोई जवाब नहीं मिला. और पार्लियामेंट हाउस में कुछ दिन पहले कांपते हुए, ऐसे हाथ कांप रहे थे, अमित शाह जी उनकी सफाई देते हैं. आज आपको मायूस होने की जरूरत नहीं है कि बिहार का चुनाव हार गए, क्योंकि पूरा देश देख रहा है कि ये चोरी से जीतते हैं. राहुल जी ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की, पहले हरियाणा की बात बताई, महाराष्ट्र की बात बताई, कर्नाटक की बात बताई, बिहार में SIR करके 65 लाख वोट काट दिए गए. और अगर ये सारे प्रमाण आप अलग कर दें तो एक साफ और साधारण बात सामने आती है. आचार संहिता के समय 10-10 हजार रुपए आप पहुंचा रहे हो, कोई आपको रोक नहीं रहा है. चुनाव आयोग आंख बंद कर रहा है, आंख मूंद रहा है. तो अगर ये चुनाव चोरी नहीं है तो क्या है?
Going to go straight across to Piyush for more on that. Piyush, the very fact that the opposition isn't united on this one obviously gives enough ammunition and more to the BJP to go after them, saying that, listen, you aren't even finding support from your own, from your own alliance partners in that sense. Clearly, these charges are being leveled unfairly, says the BJP.
That's right, Sneha, and it's going to be a huge embarrassment for the Congress party because the leaders of Congress party, be it about Rahul Gandhi or Priyanka Gandhi and various others, they have been raising the issue of SIR, EVM tampering, and they have been saying that vote chori is taking place in Bihar. Also, massive vote chori has happened, and because of that itself, India has been able to form the government in the state of Bihar. But Supriya Sule, who is one of the topmost voices of opposition and the senior leader of a nationalist Congress party, is coming out in open and saying that I cannot say anything on vote chori or EVM tampering because even I have been chosen as the representative of people through the same process, through the same machineries. So this is nothing but a huge embarrassment for the Congress party. We'll have to see, Sneha, how the Congress is going to react on this. But yes, like you rightly mentioned, that yes, it is going to give a lot of ammunition to the Bharatiya Janata Party and other partners of NDA because they will again mount the attack on opposition parties by saying that they are not united on even one front. Remember, Sneha, that the issue of SIR was rocked the parliament, the last parliament session, also the entire parliament session, last session was completely washed out. And this time also we are seeing how since beginning the Congress party was demanding to have a thorough discussion on this, though discussion on SIR did not take place. But yes, electoral reforms was the main focus point, and today the government is going to respond in Rajya Sabha at around 1 p.m. That is going to be the final response. But yes, the entire comment which has come in from Supriya Sule is going to be a huge embarrassment for the Congress party. We'll have to see today how the Congress leaders are going to defend their top leadership and also what will be their reaction on what Supriya Sule has said.
Right, I'm going to leave it there for the moment. Piyush Mishra getting asked those details at this point in time that continues to be a bone of contention. Vote chori is what the Congress has been continuously talking about, but clearly the allies aren't on the same page.